In this video, we're going to get introduced to PHP conditional statements. So to start, we're going to write a piece of code where we're going to be checking whether a condition is true, and based on that, we're going to print something on the web page. So we're going to create a variable, and we're going to call it believe in your dream. And we're going to set it to true. It's a boolean. All right. And now we're going to check if, okay, if you believe in your dream. So the syntax is similar to JavaScript. So we put the condition inside parentheses right after the keyword if. And after that, if it's true, we're going to echo something on our screen. Okay, so unlike JavaScript, you don't have to use curly brackets, but it's better to use curly brackets for readability reasons. Okay. And if the condition is not true, then we're going to use else. Okay. And we're going to echo something else. Okay. So if it's true, we're going to echo, for example, a paragraph. Okay. You will be successful. Okay. Otherwise, we're going to echo believe in your dream to be successful in life. Okay. All right, so now let's save and refresh the page, and we can see our result there because the condition is true. If we set that to false, then if we refresh, we can see the other message printed out. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna look at another way of setting a certain variable, okay, to different values depending on a condition. Okay, so rather than we could use if condition, then set the variable to a certain value, else set the variable to another value. But we're gonna try something else. So our variable is going to be x, okay, and we are just going to set it straight away like this. So you're going to say variable x equals, okay, and between parentheses we're going to have our condition. Let's use the same condition, believe in your dream. Okay, and we're going to have a question mark after that. So it's like we are saying, is this condition true? Question mark. If yes, okay, then we want to have this value, a, for example. Otherwise, we're going to use colon, okay, and then we're going to write the other value, right? So if you echo x, let's check. So you can see that x equals b because our condition is false. All right. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to use if else, but we're gonna use another keyword. It's else if, and that's if we have more than two conditions. So for example, if we set the set a variable temperature to 25. Okay, and then we say if the temperature is less than 15, okay, then do this, else do that. But we want to check also if the temperature is greater than 30, and also we want to check if the temperature is between 15 and 30. So what we're going to do, we're going to do else if, okay, and we're going to have our condition there. So temperature greater than 30, and then we have else, then do that. Okay, so if the temperature is less than 15, then we can write, for example, echo it is cold. Okay, if it's greater than 30, echo it is hot, and else echo the temperature is medium. Okay, let's try that, and you can see the temperature is medium, as the temperature is between 15 and 30. Okay, all right, now we're gonna move to using a switch. So as we have covered this in JavaScript, it's more or less the same syntax. So let's define a variable strength, and we're gonna set it to belief. Okay, so this is a strength. It's when you believe in your goal. This is really important if you're going to be successful. And now the syntax for the switch is going to be the keyword switch, okay, followed by the variable we want to check, okay, and in our case it's strength, and we're going to put it between parentheses, and then after that we're going to have curly brackets, and then inside our curly brackets we're going to have all the cases possible for our variable strength. So the first case, let's have belief, okay, and that's going to be followed by colon, and then we say what we want to execute if our variable strength equals belief. Okay, so we're gonna echo something, and then we break. Okay, so break means that we're gonna go out of our code inside the curly brackets. So we're just gonna jump everything else. All right, so let's have another case. Communication, that's another good strength. Okay, and let's have another one. Competition. Okay, let's have another one. Determination. Okay, and finally we're gonna have the default statements, and the default is gonna be echo something. Okay, so if it's none of those, then we're gonna execute the default statements, and after that we break. Okay, So let's go back to our echo statements. So the first one, let's have a paragraph saying, for example, you have core values that are unchanging. Okay, they will define your purpose in life. Okay, and the second one, let's have a paragraph as well, and let's write you easily put your thoughts into words. You are a good presenter. Okay, and this one, say you, let's have a paragraph, and let's write you measure your progress against the progress of others. Okay, and you strive to win first place. Okay, yeah, let's say, let's get rid of this one. And the defaults, let's say choose a strength. You have many, for sure. Okay, now if we save and refresh the page, so since our value is belief for the strength variable, we've got this message which corresponds to this one.